How to make alarm louder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Here, you can adjust the volume for ringtones and alerts, choose different haptic behaviors like always play, play in silent mode, etc., and customize sounds and vibrations for specific events like ringtones, text tones, and more. Go to the ringtone and alert section at the top. The volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Drag to increase the volume as shown. You have now set the volume to full volume. Now, go back to your home screen. As you can see, you can view the ringer volume at the top of the screen. You can always go back and change or lower the volume wherever you want. Following these steps, you can easily make alarm louder on iPhone.